Get your grind on. COMBIDISC from Ferd offers a versatile selection of grinding and finishing products that give you the exact finish you need for your complicated applications. It's easy to get the results you want when you have the best products in hand. This family of discs comes in many sizes, some so small that now you have access to tight spots, nooks, and crannies you couldn't get to before. Maybe you're a welder or a fabricator. Perhaps you're a do-it-yourself creator. No matter your role, you'll benefit from the convenience of the COMBIDISC family of products. The simple handling and low vibration mean you won't experience operational disruptions caused by sticking, slipping, or disengaging when you're changing out a disc. And with so many abrasive materials that COMBIDISC works on, you can take your pick. There's aluminum oxide, zinc, silicon, ceramic, diamond, and non-woven. Whatever material you work on, we can guarantee maximum efficiency and high performance when you use Ferd products. This family of discs can take you from grinding 1 minute to surface work the next, all with just a quick twist of the disc. With 2 options for mounting systems, a new disc locks in fast, steady, and ready to get back to it. Interested to start trying it for yourself? We also offer COMBIDISC sets, one for a mirror finish, a prep to paint, and another for a sanitary finish. Call our customer service team to help you get in touch with your local distributor.